And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 34. Let me show you how you can create a smooth fast forward effect. Let's just say you want to speed up the middle part right here, where you're sifting through the papers. You can go to speed, standard, as long as the middle part is selected. In the timeline you can see you can make this a 2x, which speeds it up 2 times. But if we go to 5x, we have the speed up effect, but it's actually very harsh right at the beginning and at the end, because we don't have a smooth transition to the other 2 clips. So it's actually better to use the curves adjustment here as well. So just like I've shown you in the last video for a smooth slowdown, slow motion effect. Let me delete this one. I add the original again. We go to speed curve, and here we want to ramp it up. You can see that, for example, for the jump cut, if we adjust these 2 points, we can create a ramp. And this then gradually speeds up the fast forward effect. Then we go to custom, we go to the position where we want to start. You can actually see it right here as well in the curves menu. Click on the plus sign, then go forward, maybe up to here, another plus, and here you drag it up. Go to the position where you want to end it. Once more plus sign, move it up. The middle portion needs to be up as well. And now you can see we have 2 ramps. It ramps up first and then ramps down in the end. And this creates way smoother transitions between the fast forward and the non-fast forward, the regular speed portions of a clip. You can make these ramps bigger and smaller by repositioning the points. And that's usually a way better effect than just speeding it up under standard. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.